Now we're ready for a long drive today. We are driving all the way from Slovakia. We're just at the border between Slovakia and Hungary, and then we're driving all the way across Hungary and into Serbia today. At least that's what we hope. It's a 5.5 hour drive, so let's get going. So we just changed the driver, and what happened? Traffic. Every time I'm behind the wheel, there's traffic. That's why we have Sina has to drive the most, because this happens every time. Every time! Right now we are stopped because we are trying to cross the border into Serbia and there's a huge line. So I think this is the first time we'll have like a real border crossing with like showing a passport and then like searching your car and all that. Like all the other border crossings so far has been in the EU, so we've just been driving through and didn't even show our passports or anything. But now I think they'll search everything, because otherwise why is there this huge lineup? And it's so freaking hot. It's like 30 something degrees, I think.
2 hours later.
We're in Serbia now. We waited for like an hour and 45 minutes at the border. 2 minutes what they did, like 5 minutes total, because you were going out of Hungary. They checked your van, your passport, and then you drove like 6 meters and then they stopped you on the from Serbia, and then they checked your passport and just had you open your door and checked again. So, and then they let us go. Now we're here. We need to find a SIM card because Serbia is not part of the EU, so we can't use our data here. And now we have to find one before we can even use like GPS or anything. So we had to go to like a Stop and Shop mall just to use their Wi-Fi, and then find a way to the next place you could get a SIM card. Now we have a SIM card. We paid 1,000 Serbian dinar, which is about maybe 8 euros or so, for 50 gigabyte for 30 days. We parked 10 minutes outside of the city center, and then I walked in, bought the SIM card. Sina was making dinner, and then I came back, we ate dinner, and now we're driving to our camp spot. Made it to a camp spot, which is just a parking lot again. And now we are exhausted. We've been driving all day.
Do we know how hot it is?
It is 28 degrees.
Are you kidding me?
But the sunrise is at 5:55. So if I get up there and fly the drone tomorrow, should I do that? Do you believe in me?
Yes, I believe in you.
Because we're right next to a pink thermal bath thing, and I think it's gonna be full of people, but at 5:55 in the morning I think there's no one there, so it would be cool to fly the drone. So if I cut to the footage now, then that was good. If not, I'll be sad. 6:17. I am just sitting on the roof of the van and enjoying the sunrise. I got up for sunset. I flew my drone like 3 times, and now I'm making some breakfast for me and my sweet sister. Turns out that the rest of Serbia also wants to go to this pink thermal bath thing we found that we wanted to see. So now we are leaving because there's so many people here. We decided to go to a pool. It was 6 minutes away from the other one, and there are a lot of people, but I think they're less than the other place, and it's also bigger than the other one. So we're just packing our things and then going in there. Oh, there we go. We found a place, we went in the pool, and now we are just relaxing. We lost Sina's AirPods in a little tiny hole in here, so now we have to get them out. Giv du lille beskidt. Hvad er det?
Vil du se på det her min? Var okay.
Der var ikke nogen case på den. Der var heller ikke nogen case på den, den var hernede.
Vil du så se på det her min?
Hvor skulle det så være? It's my AirPods. It's been lost for how long? Precious AirPods. Yay! Now we have both mine and Sina's AirPods. Mine has been missing for months. And I thought I threw them out. I didn't know. And apparently they've been here the whole time. They haven't been here the whole time. They must have moved because we were looking for hers. And as we looked for hers,
Are you sure?
mine has. Yes, because we have looked here.
I haven't looked there.
Well, otherwise they were right there the entire time. But now we have 2 pair of AirPods. So that's a win. Win. It is 5:40 in the morning, and I'm walking down to see the sun. This is beautiful. So we're in Serbia right now, but I'm trying something that is Hungarian. We saw it in Hungary, but we didn't try it, and now we're in Serbia and they have it here as well. It's bread, and then normally you put like sour cream and some cheese on it, but they don't melt the cheese. They just have like cheese and sour cream. So I didn't want that, so I just got like the regular one, and then I got it with garlic oil and salt. I think this one is called prasan when it's just regular. And then you can choose your topping yourself, I don't know. But now I'll try it. Taste test. Oh yeah. It's good, it's just delicious bread with garlic and salt. Thank you. I love it. We spent most of our day out on the water on our subboards, but now we are on land. But yeah, now I'm gonna beat Sina at Yahtzee, and then we'll just relax here in the shade a little bit because I don't wanna get
Don't want to get burned.
We just had dinner here on the paddleboards by the lake and watched the sunset. It was pretty amazing. And now we'll go take a shower and then go back to the van. There is a freaking fly. Leave. Hey, I'm opening the door for you. Yes, thank you. Don't you just hate when you open the door for a fly and then they don't fly out? It's like I'm giving you a chance. I'm giving you a chance. Then I'll have to kill you, and that's just sad. But yeah, we are driving to a camp spot close to the airport because tomorrow night we are going home for a week. Okay, so right now we're in the middle of nowhere. We have 56 kilometers left of fuel, and our GPS doesn't want to tell us where to go. This might be like a bike path that we are now on, but look at it, it is horrible. We're at a family-run campsite, and the little girl here just brought us some Serbian beer, and now we'll try it. She brought us 2, but I just said yes to one because we're not huge fans of beer, so we'll just try this one. Cheers. Yeah, is that okay? Yeah. We parked our van at the long-term parking lot here in Belgrade, and now we're getting our stuff ready to fly home for a week. You ready? As ready as we can be. Let's go.
Wish that I could stay. Wish for this moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind, and though I know that there is nothing to find.
I saw some sheep in here and I wanted to say hey. Now they're gone. There is no sheep. Only the poop from the sheep. Do you want to sit down? And wait for the sheep. Oh.